Hey everyone. Well, this project got slowed down a little bit. I've decided I needed to paint the walls before finishing the countertops. So it's given me some time to practice on the backsplash. Let me know what you think of this. So here's my first attempt at doing natural stone epoxy pour on foam board. Foam board's easy to work with, but I made some mistakes. So now that it's finished, it does feel kind of soft. It doesn't feel like stone. So the next practice piece I'm going to do, I'm going to use some Bondo on it, give it that rock hardness so that it doesn't get damaged down the road. I really like the color, and so stay tuned.